Okay, so you understand the situation here, right? You have a rectangular tube of metal. The dimensions, you have zero potential on three sides. The fourth side, you have some potential, right? And so we want to solve our Laplace's equation. Right? So to do that, we apply the methods of what is called separation variables. Right? I'll say, all right, so I'm assuming you wrote down what advantages is there in using this approach. So has anybody got any advantages for using this approach? Kind of in its name.
Take partial derivatives.
Yeah, that's one reason. The other reason I can uncouple the influence of x on y. I only have an influence of one variable on the potential at a time, right? I don't have an interconnection between the z variable and the x variable. So what separation of variables is trying to do
Is separate variables.
Yeah, well, you have what we calculated earlier was a potential that depended on all three variables, right?
Yeah.
All three variables were baked into the function. There was no way I could separate my x's and my y's from those functions. So what separation variables is claiming is what I'm going to claim. My first claim is I'm going to create my potential by using three separate functions of independent variables, right? That my x and my y and my z are a product. They come together and they are my potential, right? But I'm separating x, y, and z all together, okay? That's the main approach, is that I can solve for my x and not worry about it affecting y and z. I can solve for my z and not worry about affecting x and y. I can only solve for one variable at one time and not worry about how it affects the other variables. All right, all right, so now what they want you to do is plug this. This is our definition for v, right? So we're going to plug that back into Laplace's equation. Okay, so they've written out a descriptor of what that is, right? That's that, right? So what they want you to do is take this V, plug it back into here. Do the math. All right? And so they want you to simplify it as much as possible. That means they want you to group all the X's together, they want you to group all the Y's together, and they want you to group all the Z's together.